that's very short. Yeah. Next is the risk, and we know that if you want to earn profit in the financial market, like stock, mutual fund, stock, whatever, there's some risk. There must be some risk, and according to the data we find in the PEJ database, and there's some financial instrument they will put a level of risk, and that's from 0 to 10. But you guys only choose 4 financial instruments, so I only choose the 4. And the risk level of stock is 7. Yeah, the 4 point is 10, and there's something more risky. And mutual fund is like almost 5, and bond is almost 2. And yeah, that's lucky. If you put all your money in the bank, that's 0. Yeah, and the only risk is if the bank goes bankruptcy or something. But somehow the government will save the bank. Yeah. Okay. So the result of our calculation is we come to that few results. One is high return come with high risk. I think most of us know this. Second is before buying any financial instrument, you should understand them totally. Never be like when one day when you go on the street and you heard your neighbor say, "Oh, there's one stock and that's very profitable and you should buy it," and don't just do it because the news already knows by others is already reflect in the market. That's one thing you should know. And the third is, it is good to put all your money in a bank. How do you think about this? I think no. And what do you think about? No, I think most of us know this. And next, after hearing this, I think the answer is don't put your money in the bank account. And next, we will teach you how to distribute your money according to your personality.
Yes, let's move on to the most important part of our presentation, is the distribution. First, I want to play the game is the experiment. Like according to the survey we took, most of you have 10 to 100,000 euro account. And we assume that you all have $50,000 euro account now. So after graduate from NCCU, how many dollars, what happened to like next? Don't forget your $15,000 after you graduate from NCCU are no longer $50,000 because of inflation rate. Yes, inflation minus interest rate, we now know that the average inflation rate in Taiwan is 2.3%, and Larry told that the interest rate in Taiwan is 0.89%, so it is negative 1.41%. It means after 4 years, your $15,000 will become less than $45,000, and that's really sounds terrible. And that's why you should put your money not only in the bank, in the savings account, and you should use your money to do some financial management, such as stocks, mutual funds, or any other financial instruments. And later will tell you how to distributing your money.
Yeah. According to your personalities, there are 2 types of person to invest. And one is if you are conservative, one is you are risky. And do you know what is conservative means? I think everybody knows. Do you know that? Yeah, and risky means you like to take risks, right? Yeah. And next, if you are conservative, there's some suggestion management of it, and you can put your money, allocate your money according to this type, and you will earn 6.9% every month. That's our calculation. And if you are risky, you can put your money like this type, and you will earn about 10.23% every month. And before you do this, you should know you should fully understand all of them and manage them in a very smart way. That's one thing you should be careful. And next, after our speculation, when will you earn your first million? If you are risky after you graduate, you will earn your first million in 3 months. And if you are conservative, you will earn your first million in 6 months.
6 months?
Years. Sorry. Years. Yeah, sorry.
Less than 10 years, so you are the first one.
Yeah, so based on this calculation, you should know that you should fully understand all of them and choose the one way to invest your money, and that will earn you the most profit. Okay. And next, we'll review our today's speech. One is we know how much we really earn. Yeah, and that's from Kevin's speech.
Yeah, there are 3 main elements to know as this income, expenditure, and most important is inflation rate.
Yeah. And second is an introduction of financial instruments into their risk and return, and I have just introduced to you. And the third is how can you distribute your money according to your personality, like if you are conservative or risky. And next, I will play a little simple test with you, and that's all from Kevin.
Yes, the simple test is, suppose you have $10,000 in your hand, and your best friend that wants to borrow some money from you. If you join his plan, will you trust him? And then it has 4 choices. No way, maybe I will try some. If that's all you have in hand. It depends on your personality, and it is conservative to the risky. Yes. So you can find your personality very easily, and you can find the best choice on your financial interest. Yes.
And that's our next speech. If you have any question, you can just raise your hand and ask us. And here's some surveys. Yeah, question that we would like to use.
Okay, question, discussion. Your question.
Have you actually been into the stock market?
Stock market. Yeah. You mean?
Have you ever?
No, actually.
No?
I don't want to be the millionaire, actually.
Okay.
Hey, Flora.
You just said that if you are a conservative person, you can earn $1 million within 3 years, 6 years, and
That's the question, because according to our calculation, it makes lots of assumption. So that's the suggestion, the suggest answer, not a definite.
what I want to ask is that how much money you need to invest per month or
In order to
get $1 million.
There's an assumption that
Yeah, we just here's the
we have the assumption that every month we can earn this.
Yeah, you can see that if you are conservative, you can put your money like this. And if you put it in the bank account, that means that's the part you can use.
Yeah, so you mean that by average, I can get 6.9% per month.
Yeah.
So how much money do I need to invest? Like, I need to save
Yeah, that's the part you
$3,000.
can invest your money in the, like if you
Should be
put
total.
20% in the stock, like this.
Of course, it is an assumption. Maybe you can invest your
So
money
you are
in the
more
bank.
conservative, you can put it.
31% or 32% or 92%. No, 29%.
It's
Yeah.
hard to read actually.
So
It is about 30%.